Yo, what's up my people? Welcome back to another video. I want to change up the camera view for today because I kind of want to have like multiple shots for y'all. You know, get a little, dipping my feet deeper and deeper and deeper into the water as we go along. So we got a couple new shots for today. It's gonna go on a nice little night cruise when it's, not really nighttime, it's 7:30, but take you guys to my favorite fast food coffee shop. Cause you have regular coffee shops, but they also have like fast food coffee shops, like Dunkin', Starbucks. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Starbucks and the guy with the mustache place and Manhattan Bagel, stuff like that. But you're gonna go to another spot, which if you live in New York, you'll see more. If you live out of the USA, you'll see it even more. Some of you might know what I'm talking about. Hint, hint. I think it's only like one in Jersey when it's not even actually on Google when you search up blah blah blah. I almost said it. Whatever the shop is near me, you gotta actually know where it's at to know. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little ride over there. A little bit rainy out, but I think we should be good. I wonder how I look right now, like with the GoPro on the head. Like, whatever. I don't want to like mess up the GoPro shot. So I'm about to blabbing. Gonna get on the road. Let's go. Like each time I've made a video, like going through the toll, like I really do wonder what the people going through toll booth people head. Toll booth personnel. Let's keep it okay. Toll booth personnel. I wonder what would be going through their head, cause like it's got a GoPro on them, not on them, but just on my head. Like is it like, and most of them they're like older than me. Like I wonder what they think. I really do. High key, I just messed up how the GoPro looks, and I'm mad. You guys will see, I guess. And no music or nothing at all either. Feel like I gotta have the music off for the video. I kind of want to show just to see the interaction. It's like, do I look? I can't even see her face. The thing is, all right. Let's probably roll the window down a little bit. So my mic isn't like rubbing against anything. I love how smooth my car sounds, but like at the same time, like I do wish it was more loud, but at the same time I don't wish it was more loud, because I like how quiet it is and how subtle it can be. Like if I'm not on gas, like as you see it, once I get off gas, you barely hear anything. Especially if I'm 6th gear just chilling. Bro, music is off. Can't hear nothing. You can hear something, but obviously it has an exhaust, so you're gonna hear something. But like, you literally barely hear anything. I dead forgot to put the light on. You guys couldn't see nothing. But yeah, which is the thing I like about this exhaust, which I can't even say this exhaust, because not like it's one exhaust. It's a Frankenstein of exhaust. It's the UNITRONIC 3-inch downpipe and mid-pipe, and then the CTS, half of the CTS turbo mid-pipe back. This car is going mad fast behind me. But yeah, half of the CTS turbo mid-pipe back. It has, excuse me, it has the resonator from the, sorry. It has the resonator from the UNITRONIC system, UNITRONIC downpipe system, and then from the mid back is for the CTS system. Which honestly, the CTS system by itself feels way louder, but now it's like subtle with the UNITRONIC half with it. It's so good. And like it has this like nice little sound on the outside where you don't really hear the difference on the inside, but on the outside, like it sounds beautiful. I'm thinking, you know, I'm gonna go out at like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. It's gonna be no traffic, bro. How? Well, sorry, I guess a little bit of traffic right here. It's crazy because ever since I did get in like the Golf R, I haven't been able to like catch anyone so like I can like actually have a good race with. Hypothetically. Nah, I haven't really caught anyone have a good really actual race with. Which when I was in the Audi or the freaking TL. When I was in a TL, there was always someone. And I couldn't even like push the TL crazy. But in the Audi, the same thing. I mean, like I would always catch someone in the Audi, but I mean the Audi, like it felt fast for the time because I don't know why my Audi felt so fast. It was a 1+ tune and that's it. 1+ tune and freaking full bolt-ons, stock turbo. You guys don't even know about the 1.8. You guys will see it on the channel soon. Once I do get the 1.8T back, you guys will definitely see it on the channel because that's gonna be the daily once I do get it back. It's either one or two. It's gonna be the daily or I'm freaking building a motor and I'm putting a freaking 60 trim turbo on that truck and I'm making 400 horsepower. Oh, rip, bro. That's what I really do want to do with the 1.8. Just because of how light it is, bro, that thing will boogie. Like, that thing felt so fast. I mean, I had like 220 horsepower, but it sounded beautiful. Like, anyone who knows me at work or in general, they know the Audi. They know how that junk sounds. It sounds so fire. I mean, I don't know. For those who know Biggs, I got into the 1.8T honestly because of him, because of how his car sounded. And mine sounds very similar, but I don't know, I feel like mine sound a little better. Bro, this thing, it's so smooth. Like the power band is so good. I love it so much. Okay, these are like my top 3 cars I would love to race in the Golf. Yeah, I'm not even top 3. I'm gonna name top 5 because top 3, like I really don't know. I can't put everything into just a top 3 for this car. Like the way it is right now. Number 1, 340i, F30 340i, M340 I know I probably wouldn't beat, but 340i F30 chassis, 100% I would love to. Downpipe, stock, whatever, I don't care. just to see how it matches. Even if it has downpipe tune, that shit makes it boogie. But just to see how they compare, because I know weight wise, like I've got a little advantage on the weight, I guess. So that's number 1. Number 2, scat pack. Because I want to make any scat pack a snack pack. You feel me? Like I feel like my car would easily be the scat pack, bro. 100%. Me shifting and all, I don't care. I'm being that scat pack. I want to race one so bad, but like it's crazy because you always see scat packs going crazy, right? But when I'm next to one, never want to go crazy. I'm so mad. 3rd, STI, tuned or stock, full bolt-on, no E. Because if that shit is on E, I'm getting cooked. Yo, this thing, oh my gosh. It's not even like this is the fastest car ever. Because like I was just in the X4M at work earlier. And like, I'm like quarter throttle. I'm like, dag, my freaking brain is like getting pulled back into the seat. Like it felt way faster than my car. Not way faster, but it felt definitely way, like, you know how, if you get into, you know how it feels if you ever been in a fast car. There's like 2 levels to it, right? There's a fast car where like your chest and your head is getting pushed back. But then there's like a fast car where it's like your brain, you can feel your brain, like the G's pulling on your brain on the inside, and once you're done pulling, you feel like, oh my gosh, like you're trying to like, it feels like you're trying to catch your eyes in its eye socket type junk. That's how the X4M felt. It was the X4M comp. We have a Santa Marina X4M comp. Oh my gosh, that is like my dream dad car right there. But bro, that thing was fast. I forgot what I was talking about now. How did I get on the how did I even get to talk about the X4M? I don't know. But that's what I was talking about. Like, this is not even that fast, but like, it's just how it pulls. Cause I'm just not used to, you know how you're used to your car. Like, I'm not used to seeing the revs, not even the revs, but not used to seeing the miles per hour move so quick up top. Because before on the One Plus tune, up top it was dead. Like mid range was like mid to top was perfect, but top was not good. And brakes, don't even get me started. Yo, why is there traffic? I'm just trying to record. Why is there traffic going South Jersey at 8 o'clock? Going to New York, I can understand. We're not going to New York. We're moving away from New York. It is still traffic. It's crazy. There's never traffic right here. Is the crazy thing about it. I'm just trying to go get some coffee. I'm just trying to go get some coffee, bro. Bro, I cannot wait to get the pops and bangs on this car. It's gonna sound so good. I feel like it's gonna sound really good with its exhaust. Cause like the nice little like that I'd be getting from the exhaust be so fire. Like beforehand, before I got the retune, since the tune beforehand it was just a regular One Plus tune from Unitronic, which it wasn't really made to have an exhaust along with it. I said this before, obviously, but you just like tap on the throttle a little bit, just dump fuel and get a little like louder than what it is now. A lot more consistent too. I missed that. But since the tune is made for the exhaust now, I don't get that anymore, unfortunately, which kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is. I hope I turned my mic up, because I have no idea if I actually turned my mic up before I started recording. Because I know I turned one of the mics up, but I don't know if I'm using the same mic as I was the other day. Next on the list, I completely forgot what we were talking about. I need to race an S4. Is that a C43? Give me a little sauce, come on. Give me a little sauce. There's nowhere to run it, that's the only thing. See, this is what I hate, right? Okay, let's finish what we were talking about first. My mind is just freaking that way. Oh my gosh. All right. So I was on, what was the last car I was on? Oh, yes, STI. Definitely want to race STI full bolts on no E85 or even just stock. Stock, obviously I'll beat it, so it doesn't really make sense. But STI. That was 4, so I guess my 5th one. I don't know what my 5th one would be. See, I thought I would have all 5. I guess you can throw a GT in there. Nah, a GT will dog this junk, not gonna lie. All right, so let's recap, because we went everywhere just now. But number 1, F30 chassis 340. Number 2, Scat Pack. Number 3, STI 100%. Number 4, I'm about to miss my exit. I didn't know I was here already. I had GPS off. I'm like, oh snap. Woo. All right, we'll finish the list once we get to our destination while we sipping on the coffee. Got the Timmy's. Get that first sip. I missed that. I freaking missed that. Let me go wide angle for it. I sincerely missed the taste of Tim Hortons. Like, it's been a minute since I had Tim Hortons. Like, literally. Hold up. I burnt my tongue, but it's like Tim Hortons is like the nice medium between sweet enough but not sweet. Like, honestly, me personally, I don't really like sweet stuff like that, so like I don't really have too many sweets. I don't really like a lot of sugar, and their mixture is just so fire to where like it tastes like, you know how fresh coffee has like a fresh coffee taste without sugar? It's like that, but also sweet enough. You ever got a chance to stop by Tim Hortons, definitely try the French vanilla. So back to what I was talking about earlier. Definitely next after the STI, I don't know what would be the thing. I don't know what would be after the STI. I think those are my top 4 at least. Definitely my top 4. I don't really have a top 5, I guess. F30 340i, Scat Pack, STI, and that'll be my 3 right there. Those are 3 I really do want to race. I already beat a Turbo Civic. Not gonna lie, once we got to like, I think it was like 110. Like, he still had to catching up because like that, he was like spinning a good amount. Once he caught grip, but that junk started boogieing. But that was before I was on the tune that I'm on now. That was when I was still on the Stage 1 Plus tune for Unitronic. But now, Turbo Civic wants some, get some. Oh, like I said, yes, S4. I would say B8.5. Well, B8, B8.5, whatever. B8 S4. Stock, I want to run it. It tuned, I'm not beating it. I drove a stock S4 before, and it feels like how my car does now. So I know it tuned, I wouldn't beat it. I wouldn't beat it. Because you know, I was talking about earlier how it's like that fast feeling. You got your head that pulls, that like your eyes that feel out of their sockets when you stop pulling. That's how the S4, B8 S4 feels because of all the torque. Literally. So I don't get that feeling in my car, so I know it definitely not gonna. I'm not being the tuned S4. Just a little cruise for today. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my coffee, for a little bit, watch some YouTube while I'm in the parking lot, and drive back home. I want some music on the drive back home, so you guys have a time lapse. Just enjoy the nice scenery. Some calm music behind it, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Next one, I promise we're going to install the diffuser. I'm sorry, I've been putting off installing that diffuser for so long. I have an ECS tuning diffuser. It's been 2 weeks since I've installed it. But today I actually was going to do it, but then I couldn't do it because at work we had to put all the cars inside because the snow was coming. So they got to plow the lot, blah, blah, blah. I also didn't feel like doing it. Neither was I going to have enough time to do it because I didn't leave work till 4 o'clock. And I got off at 1. Nice working in the service industry, right? I'm sorry, I gotta keep sipping. This is so freaking good. Y'all go ahead. Y'all have a good one, all right? So I'm gonna have a good one with my Timmy's. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.